point on surface such that Vp is generator. Okay, then around I'll write it here. DRs of generator Vp. Yes. What are the direction ratios of generator? Coordinates of V are known, alpha, beta, gamma. Coordinates of point P are known, x, y, z. So x minus alpha, y minus beta, z minus gamma. So two lines are there and their direction ratios are known to us. One of them is axis and other is the generator. And what we know about these two lines, angle between them is known. Okay, so the semi-vertical angle theta is semi-vertical angle theta is cos theta equal to, yes, how we can find cos theta? A into x minus alpha, right? Component wise multiplication. Take first component from this bracket and from this bracket, a and x minus alpha. So take first direction ratio of both axis and generator plus b into y minus beta plus c into z minus gamma divided by root of a square plus b square plus c square, then root of x minus alpha square, y minus beta square, and z minus gamma square. That's it. If we simplify this, we'll get the equation of right circular cone. Below this, you can write equation of the right circular cone. Write this as equation of right circular cone. That's it. Okay. Before we proceed, before we start solving few examples, we want to understand one more formula. Okay. So let me change the page. चलो मैं पेज चेंज करता हूं. नेक्स्ट इज पेज नंबर 41. राइट फॉर्मूला. आई एम ऑडिबल ना?
Yes, sir.
So what is a plus b whole square? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay. In the same way, tell me what is a plus b plus c whole square? See, very simple. You write numbers in this way, a, b, c. Okay, so square of the first, square of the second, square of the third, then two terms together, a into b. So it is 2ab. Since we can multiply a into b as well as we can multiply from b to a. Right now? Then a into c. We have to take all possible combinations. And then b into c, 2bc. I think everyone know this formula is very well. Okay, now suppose we have a plus b plus c plus d. Can anyone tell me what will be their square? So again, same procedure. Right, you write a, b, c, d. So square of first, square of second, sorry, it should be b, square of third, square of fourth with the sign. If negative sign is there, we have to consider negative sign also. Then a into b, 2ab. Okay, then a into c, 2ac, and then a into d, 2ad. Okay, so we multiplied remaining all by a. Now start multiplying by b. Right, b into a already we have written. Okay, so we don't have to write that. Now b into c, 2bc, b into d, 2bd, and now what is remaining? C into d, 2c. Right, which is the way by which we can find the squares. and that we want to use in the next part. Okay, so type A or type 1, right? Semi vertical angle is given. Semi vertical angle is given. Okay, start. Find equation of right circular cone whose vertex is 1, 2, minus 3. Last is minus 3. 1, 2, minus 3. Semi vertical angle cos inverse of 1 upon root 3 and axis is the line x minus 1 by 1, y minus 2 by 2, z plus 1 divided by minus 1. Okay. Solution, write down. So draw the cone. So to find the equation of cone, what we should know? We should know the direction ratios of axis and direction ratios of generator. Okay, so this is the A. As usual, this is the point P. The coordinates of point P are X, Y, and Z. Okay, this is the vertex. Vertex is known to us 1, 2, and minus 3. Write all the known things. This theta is also known to us. I am audible. Are you getting all these things? आवाज येतो ना माझा?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Day by day, the strength is decreasing. काय पप्पांना कॉल करायला लागते वाटतं. ओके, चलो राइट डाउन. VA is axis of the cone. And its equation is x minus 1 by 1, y minus 2 by 2, z plus 1 divided by minus 1. Okay, so what is conclusion? That on drs of axis 1, 2, minus 1. Okay, then that on. Next, let P of x, y, z is a point on cone. Okay, then on drs of generator VP are, so x minus 1, right? Now, these are the coordinates of V, these are the coordinates of point P, right? So x minus 1, y minus 2, and z minus of minus, so plus 3, right? Then the semi-vertical angle between axis and generator is, the semi-vertical angle between axis and generator is, yes, let me change the page. So before we start, since this is new page, let me write the drs once again. Written everything? Right, drs of x is 1 2 minus 1, drs of generator right. Then now cos theta equal to, theta will substitute in next step. So component wise multiplication, 1 into x minus 1 plus 2 into y minus 2 minus 1 into z plus 3 divided by root of 1 square 2 square minus 1 square. Okay, then x minus 1 square y minus 2 square z plus 3 square. चलो इसको अभी सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं. ओके, so right, cos of what is theta, cos inverse of 1 upon root 3. Okay, then x 1 into x minus 1, so x minus 1 2y minus 4 minus z minus 3 divided by 4 6, और इसको ऐसे ही रखते हैं. Okay, cos and cos inverse will cancel, so cross multiply. So it is like this, root 6 into root of x minus 1 square right equal to root 3 into, after simplification of the numerator we have x plus 2y minus z, what about the constant, minus 8. Right now we have to remove the square root, so squaring on both sides, squaring on both sides. अभी इसको सिंप्लीफाई करना है. चलो सिंप्लीफाई करो, यूज योर ओन मेथड, सिंप्लीफाई इट. Z square plus 6z plus 9 equal to 3. I am writing the terms x 2y minus z minus 8, square of the first, square of the second, square of the third, square of the 8. Now two terms together, x into 2y, and then we have to multiply by 2, huh? 2ab na. So actually 2xy but multiplied by 2, so 4xy. Then x into minus z, minus xz, 2xz. X into minus 8, minus 8x multiplied by 2, 16x. Now 2y into minus z, 4yz, right, minus 16. Getting everyone? Now you have to write all the terms on one side and just simplify. You will get the required answer. So like this. Now see, I'll write the x square term first. चलो rearrange करता हूँ मैं and then I'll write the next step directly. हाँ? So 6 x square constant 14 equal to 3 times then I'm writing cross degree terms first. xy yz zx then x term. I think space will be insufficient, so minus 16x minus 32y z term plus 16z constant term. Only one 64. आ गया समझ में? Now take all the terms to other side. Take all the terms to left side and then simplify. So 6x square minus 3x square. 3x square. 6y square minus this 3 into 4, 12y square. 6z square minus 3z square. These terms as it is. Just change the sign since they will go to the other side. Then x term. So 6 into minus 2, minus 12x and minus 16 into 3, 48 plus 48. 48 minus 12, 36.
Sir,
Sir, minus 12xy येणार ना?
Huh?
Minus 12xy.
हो ना, on other side minus 12xy plus 48x.
इथं प्लस लिहिलं आपण.
हो ना, बरोबरच ना. अरे हे 3 into minus 16 that will be minus.
Sir,
I mean 4xy multiplied.
12xy होता ना.
हाँ
Positive
हाँ
12xy त्या साइडला
एक
गेलो.
मिनिट बरोबर. This will be minus, this will be plus, sorry, this will be plus, absolutely, no doubt. हाँ, next term 36x, then y term minus 24 on the left side and minus 24 and plus 48. नहीं plus 48 नहीं. 9 minus 96 plus 48. So minus 48. Y is minus 48. जरा check करा. Then Z term 36 plus 36. And here minus 48. So minus 12Z. And now only constant is remaining. Plus 84 minus of 192.
108.
84, 94, 108. Minus 108, right? Equal
Sir,
to
minus 36x येणार.
minus 36 x काय?
Yes,
नाही
sir.
इकडे मायनस आहे ना. बरोबर आहे ते plus 36 x आहे. Which is the equation? समजते का जरा बघा. And I think then we can divide it by 3 possible. Is everyone divisible by 3? Yes. So if you want to write next step, you can divide everything by 3. That's it. Then you will get the required answer. Or keep as it is.
सर ते मायनस येणार आहे ना
Minus
+72y येईल ना ते +72y ते 3
Y
into
term काय?
minus
check करेन.
हा y term
Minus y. I'm doing calculations here. Y term I'm
सर
now
ते
I'm
नाही ते सेकंड लास्ट स्टेप सर सेकंड लास्ट स्टेप 6
इथं का?
into -4y -24y होतं ना आणि राईट साइडला तर 3 into -32y 96y -96y होतं तर ते -96y त्या साइडला गेल्यावर की 72y होणार
Y term you are saying ना? Y term कुठं आहे?
येस
-32y. हे ना Y term. हो ना, correct. Something wrong is there. -24 I think हे. जरा अवघड आहे. -24y आणि
+72 येणार
प्लस
-36x येतं.
माझ्याकडे आन्सर आहे ना. y टर्म आहे आन्सर इज डिफरंट. आन्सर विथ मी इज रॉंग. ठीक आहे, तुम्ही जरा क्रॉस चेक करा. होप यू माइट हॅव अंडरस्टूड द प्रोसिजर.
झालं लेक्चर कधी
सुरू आहे.
सकाळी काय चेक केलं का
कसं?
काय शेअर घातलं का नाही
हे दिले की असलं पाठवलं की ग्रुपवर
लिस्ट दिली आहे का
हे देतात लिस्ट.
चेक केलं नाही
लेक्चर सुरू आहे. एक 2च मिनिट हा, जरा HOD सर आले. We'll go through the next example. Yes. Hope you might have understood the procedure. आहेत की नाही इथे सगळे? अरे 60s बाकीचे कुठे गेले? Akanksha, are you here?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Then girls usually used to be here. Siddhant Yadav. गेला बघा, म्हटले की नाही गर्ल्स. अरे आहे वाटतं. ओके ओके. अक्षय गेला कुठे? प्रथमेश, भावेश, हर्षल राउत. As you are going through this online lecture system, my daughters are also going through this system, and the younger daughters, she don't used to be in time. Lecture is going on. So she don't used to be ready for the lecture in time, and then every day someone else used to give the attendance of this younger daughter. sometime me, sometime my wife, sometime her sister. It is the system over here, and I think many of you might be doing like this, but you are I think more smarter than my daughters, since the total attendance should be 106, but it is 61 only. Someone left, my 3 left. Okay, so it is like this only. Okay.
No
Okay,
sir, no,
problem.
मैंने personal account से
No
join
problem.
किया.
Arey, you don't take it personally. Don't take things personally. Okay. Chalo, continue.
Okay, sir.
I know Maitri very well. Many of you are known to me very well. Okay, so
सर
you are
तो क्वेश्चन
serious. कोणता क्वेश्चन? आधीचा?
हा आत्ताच केला सॉल्व तो.
कुठे गेला? हा, इथे. काय याच्यात चेंज करायचं आहे? आता बहुतेक चेंज करता येणार नाही. I change the page.
सर ते 2 राहिलं बघा ते स्क्वेअरिंग च्या ह्याच्यात.
कोणतं 2?
सर तो 2y - 2 का ते स्क्वेअर ना, ते 2 राहिलं.
This term you want to say? Square of this is remaining.
सर डिनॉमिनेटर मध्ये पण टाकतात का म्हणजे ते, म्हणजे
नाही,
1
denominator मध्ये काय
1
नसतं.
2 -1.
हे का? हे मी फक्त माहितीसाठी लिहिले. अच्छा, चला आता याच्यामध्ये थोडंसं बहुतेक आय एम नॉट एबल टू मेक एनी चेंज ओव्हर हिअर. Next example, I will make the required change. Okay. If anything is remaining that you have not understood, please understand it from the next example. Please let me continue. Okay. So find equation of the cone. नाही, आता ते बहुतेक मला नाही चेंज करता येणार ते, कारण मी चेंज केलेलं आहे पेज. चेक करायचं असेल तर करू शकतो. 1 मिनिट लागेल, काही जास्त वेळ लागणार नाही. चल चेक करतो. फक्त ते पेज आता मला ऍक्सेस आहे का बघतो. आहे, काय प्रॉब्लेम. चलो. This step is okay. Is there any problem in this step? चला बोला, आता कोण बोलत होता? Is there any problem in this step? अच्छा, चेकच करू ना. x square minus 2x plus 1, y square minus 4y plus yes, z square plus 6z. Correct. आता square ह्यांचा. For that I am using this. Square of first, square of second, square of third, square of fourth. Correct. Now 2 terms together. X into 2y, 4xy. Correct. X into minus z, minus 2xz. X into minus 8, 16. So minus 16x. Correct. 2y into minus z. This. Okay. So minus 4yz. Yes. Then 16y. 16 into 2, 32y, minus 32y. Correct. 8z double 16z. Correct. Everything is correct. Then this is 6x square y square z square minus 2x minus 4y plus 6z. Correct. Plus 14. Correct. Now I am checking this. Okay. Barabar. 3 as it is. There is no square of 3. Okay. Then 3 as it is. Okay. X square plus 4y square plus z square plus 4xy minus 4yz. Correct. Minus 2xz. Correct. Minus 16x. Correct. Minus 32y. Correct. Plus 16z. कुठं आहे? 16z आहे last term. And plus 64. Everything is correct. Side by side I will add and I will check whether it is correct or not. Okay. करतोच, नको म्हणजे confusionच नको. Okay. So 6x square. 1 minute. 6x square. X square ची term आहे. 6x square minus 3x square. 3x square is taken to other side, so 3x square. Correct. 6y square minus 12y square. Either 12y square. So 6y square. Correct. 6z square minus 3z square plus 3z square. Correct. Now I am writing xy term. 4 into 3. 12 plus 12xy on other side minus 12xy. Correct. Minus 12, that will become plus 12yz. Correct. Minus 6xz. Correct. Now x term. See the x term. Okay, there should not be any confusion. On left side, we have minus 12x, right? Whereas on right side, we have minus 16 into 3. 48. Minus 48 on other side, it will become plus 48. So 36, plus 36. So plus 36x, बरोबर आहे हे. याच्यात wrong आहे. Huh? Then y. On the left side, we have minus 24y. Correct. On right side we have minus 32 into 3, so 96, but on other side it will become plus 96. So 96 minus 24, 2 and 7, 72 plus 72. हे चुकले ना, करेक्ट ना?
येस सर, ते चुकलं.
Plus 72y. Okay, what about the z term? Z term 6 into 6, 36. On the right side we have 36z and 3 minus 48, so minus 12. Yes, this is correct. And constant
सर मायनस
84, correct है ना?
सर मायनस 36x येणार ना.
ए राजा, आता केले मी ते, तू एकदा चेक करून बघ ना.
मी केलं चेक.
मी हे बघ minus 2x आणि हे 6 किती झालं सांग? minus 12 झालं.
हो
बरोबर. हे minus 16 आहे इंटू 3 किती झालं?
48 मायनस
minus
48.
48 झालं. पलीकडे गेल्यानंतर प्लस 48 होणार.
हो
मग किती बघ ना ते दोघांचं ऍडिशन, प्लस 36 येईल ना राजा.
हो सर, सॉरी.
ठीक आहे, ओके, काय प्रॉब्लेम नाही, फक्त वेळ जातोय. प्लस ते 64, हे minus 108 येते. So I think only one term was wrong. Remaining all things are correct. Please. Chalo, we will go through the next example. Let me change the page. 42, 43. बराच वेळ होतोय ना. 43. Right. Find equation of right circular cone. Find equation of right circular cone with vertex at 0, 0, 0 origin, semi vertical, sometime it is written as a vertical angle only. It is same only, vertical angle pi by 6, and axis is the line 3x 4y 2z. 3x equal to 4y equal to 2z. Okay, so write down solution, draw the diagram first so that it will be clear what we want to find. अरे कौन है? Then point P whose coordinates are x, y, z. This is the A, this is the vertex, vertex is at origin. Okay, so write down. VA is, we are writing in short actually, so we should write like this. V0, 0, 0 is the vertex of the cone, VA is the axis of the cone, but no need. Write down. VA is axis and its equation is 3x equal to 4y equal to 2z. Now see, hope you remember, I am writing at the end now. Equation of line is written in this way. X minus x1 divided by a, y minus y1 divided by b, z minus z1 divided by c, and then in that case x1, y1, z1 is a point down line and a, b, c are the direction ratios. Okay, so what we have to remember, the coefficient of x, y, z is, see, coefficient of x is 1, of y is 1, of z is 1. Then the numbers in denominator are the direction ratios.
LCM घ्यायचं ना, LCM.
Very good, very good, very good. Okay, so at this moment the coefficients are 3, 4, 2. So we have to take LCM of them. Very good. LCM of 3, 4, 2. Okay. From where we got the 3, 4, 2? They are the coefficients at this moment of x, y, z. Okay, so what is their LCM? 12. Right? So dividing by 12. So 3x divided by 12, 4y divided by 12, and 2z divided by 12. Simplify this. X divided by 4, y divided by 3, and z divided by 6. So this is modified equation of the axis. Right, which is passing through 0, 0, 0. Therefore, x minus 0, y minus 0, z minus 0 in numerator. Whereas 4, 3, 6 and denominator, and they are the direction ratios. Okay, so drs of x is 4, 3, 6. Then add on, let P of x, y, z be a point on cone, surface of cone, on cone. So on cone means it is on surface of cone only. Okay, there is no alternative for it. Then add on VP is generator of cone and drs of generator VP are, yes, x minus 0, right, y minus 0, z minus 0, that is x, y, z. Hope you might have understood this part also. Okay, semi-vertical angle is also given. Okay, now on the next page, write down a little bit simple example as compared to the previous example. Write down semi-vertical angle is cos theta equal to, okay, we have the direction ratios 4 into x, okay, plus 3 into y plus 6 into z divided by 4 square, 3 square, 6 square, x square. Hope everyone is getting from where we got this 4, 3, 6 and x, y, z. All right, they are the direction ratios of axis and generator. Okay, so now write down cos of how much is the angle? Pi by 6. 4x plus 3y plus 6z divided by okay, and then root of x square plus y square plus z square. What is cos of 30 degree? Root 3 by 2. As it is. Cross multiply. हे किती आला 36 45 45 51 61 I think it is 61. Check it. Square on both sides. Okay, simplify. So 4x, 3y and 6z, their multiplication. So like this, 4 square, 3 square, 36 square. Okay, then take all terms to one side. Actually, we are doing like this: 183x square plus 183y square plus 183z square.
24xz येणार ना 24xz
24xz म्हणतेस का? त्याला 2 ने मल्टिप्लाय केला
48
हा again. Okay, then 64x square taken to other side, 36y square, 144z square, 96xz, 192xz. जरा चेक करा. minus 144 y is equal to 0. 64 minus 183 किती येते हे 9. जरा सांगा 119. Okay, then this is about the x term. Y 183 minus 36 147. Okay, then z term minus 144 39. Okay, remaining terms as it is. This is the equation of right circular cone. Okay, next. How much time we have till we have 10 minutes right now? We'll solve one example and then we'll stop. So now question, what are the expected questions? What is the semi-vertical angle? What is the direction ratios of axis? What are direction ratios of generator? What is angle between them? This type of questions may be asked. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं.
तर या फायनल एक्झाम मध्ये येणार आहे
कशामध्ये फायनल एक्झाम युअर सेइंग
SPPO एक्झाम फायनल.
हो येणार की टाइप
तर
नंबर
फुल सिलेबस आहे का SPPO?
हो. Number of questions are reduced.
अगोदर
30.
सांगितलेलं की 4च लेसन आहेत.
हो ना ते काय विद्यापीठ आता ते काय जसं त्यांचं मीटिंग कधी तर मध्येच होते म्हणजे वी स्टार्टेड आवर सेमिस्टर ड्युरिंग लास्ट आय थिंक last 15 days of the May, okay, and the meeting of the SPPU that was conducted during first week of the July, and at that time last week of the June, and at that time we come to know that we were also shocked since whatever we know was that the 4 unit will be there for the exam, but during the meeting which was conducted in the last week of June, it is decided that 6 units will be there, and it is due to your marks, the marks that you got in the first semester. Everyone got more than 90 marks. Many of you got more than 90 marks in many of the subjects. So university decided that this time we have a very good batch. So why not we can teach all the 6 units in 9 weeks, usually which takes around 14 to 15 weeks. So same syllabus, it is forced on the faculty to complete it in 9 weeks. So for us also it is difficult, you understand, huh?
ओके सर.
So right, semi-vertical angle is not given. So now we have to understand how to find the equation of right circular cone when semi-vertical angle is not given. Start. Find, then we'll stop. Find equation of right circular cone which passes through 1, 1, 2, has axis as the line 6x equal to minus 3y equal to 4z and vertex at origin. So draw the diagram. A point as usual P point whose coordinates are x, y, z, arbitrary point. We can take this point anywhere. And we have one more point, Q, point on the cone, so that VQ is the generator. If we join any point on the cone and vertex, we'll get a straight line, and that straight line will be the generator. Already we know this. Okay, take any point on the cone, and from that point to the vertex, draw a straight line. That will be the generator of cone. Okay, so right, VA is axis of cone. Its equation is 6x minus 3y 4. So LCM of 6, we have to take positive value. Yes, what is the LCM? 12. 12 will work. Yes, 12 is divisible by all the numbers. Divide by 12. Take negative sign to denominator. Equation of axis. Okay, which is passing through 0, 0, 0. Na? So x minus 0, y minus 0, z minus 0 is in the numerator. And what is this 2 minus 4 and 3? DRs of axis. Write this down. Okay, so let me continue. DRs of axis. 2 minus 4, 3. Okay, there are done. Semi-vertical angle. Aim is to find semi-vertical angle. Okay, so that Q 1, 1, 2, very important part for the exam. Question may be asked on finding semi-vertical angle. Q1, 1, 2 is a point down cone. Then VQ. What will be the VQ? Axis or generator? What will be VQ? Generator. Generator of cone whose DRs. Okay, so DRs of, how many generators are there for cone? Infinite. How many axes are there? 1. Don't say infinite. So 1 minus 0. Okay, then 1 minus 0. Then 2 minus 0. That is 1, 1, 2. These are the direction ratios of generator. Okay, now we know the direction ratios of axis. We know the direction ratios of generator. Okay, then semi-vertical angle is cos theta equal to term by term multiplication 1 इन दोनों का मैं मल्टीप्लिकेशन दे रहा हूँ 1 into 2 1 into minus 4 2 into 3 divided by square root of 1 square 1 square 2 square, then 2 square minus 4 square 3 square. तो क्या आएगा ऊपर 6 plus 2 8, 8 minus 4 is 4, so 4 divided by root of 6 root of 16 and 4 20 29. तो ये हो गया cos थीटा, ये हो गया सेमी वर्टिकल एंगल. आ रहा है सबको समझ में? Everyone is getting this? How to find the semi vertical angle? Question may be asked on this part. You have to consider direction ratios of generator, direction ratios of the axis. Okay, now we have to find one more generator so that we'll able to find the equation of cone. So now we consider VQ as a generator and I'll consider VP as a generator. Okay, and for that I'm considering the general point on the cone P of XYZ. Okay, so on the next page, I'm audible. I know तुम्ही सगळे अच्छा तसं दिसते तरी. Okay, at least online everyone is here. 45, 46, page number 46. Right, equation of cone. Okay, done. Let P of X, Y, Z be a point on cone such that VP is generator. Okay, there are BRs of generator VP. X minus 0, coordinates of V are 0, 0, 0, na? That is X, Y, Z. Okay, then on. DRs of axis already known to us that we have written on the previous page. Okay, they are 2 minus 4, 3. है ना? As well as we know the cos theta also, semi-vertical angle that we obtain. Therefore, semi-vertical angle is two into X, 4 into Y, two square okay, substitute the cos theta.
सर कॉस थिटाचे वेगळे वेगळे फॉर्म्युले आहेत का?
नहीं. See, whenever we have to find cos theta, that is angle between the two lines, we should know their direction ratios. Okay, in first part, since in example the semi-vertical angle was not given, but one point on the cone was given. So from the point Q1, 1, 2, we obtained the generator. Okay, that was 1 minus 0, 1 minus 0, 2 minus 0. So we obtained direction ratios of generator, direction ratios of axis we know. From there we obtained the cos theta, and that is the value of cos theta. That was not given in example. But writing cos theta equal to 4 divided by root 6 into root 29 is not the equation of cone. No? That is semi-vertical angle only. And to find the equation of cone, we should consider general point P of X, Y, Z on the cone. That we considered, and now we are proceeding and we are finding the equation of cone. Okay. काय confusion असेल तर you ask me, there is no any problem. कारण काय we are solving few examples only, so I do understand that there will be confusions. And again, sitting in one-to-one form and teaching and understanding the things and doing it online, no doubt, very restrictive, very challenging. As teacher, I am doing my work, but as a student, for you, it's a big challenge. We can simplify this. So square of this, square of the first, square of the second. Achha, this should be 4. Here 4 hai, huh? square of the second, square of the third. Two terms together. Minus 16xy, 12xz, (24yz). So 12x square (48y square), 27z square, and then I am taking these terms to other side. Minus 8x square minus 8y square minus 8z square. Simplify. 4x square plus 40y square 19z square and you might have observed that this is the homogeneous equation in xyz. Degree of every term is 2. And why degree is 2? Since vertex is at origin. Whenever vertex is at origin, the equation of cone is homogeneous equation of second degree. Remember this. We'll stop here. We'll continue tomorrow morning at 9 to 10. We have a lecture. After 10, we have viva of the division A. And then for division B, as usual, or if any change is there, I'll inform you. Can we stop here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you for listening patiently. Chalo. Thank you.